Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys the Blackstone 28-inch original griddle. This one comes with two independent burners. As you can see, we're melting some butter on there right now. We're about to cook. So it plugs into a propane tank on the left here. It's super easy to plug in. As you can see, there's a tray table working station on the left, as well as the right, and underneath a little tray as well if you want to hold stuff. So we're cooking some hot dogs and burgers on there right now. You can close the lid just like a regular grill. We also cooked some chicken on there too. Overall, this stuff came out really good. We really do love this Blackstone. And yeah, in terms of a cleanup, so what we like to do is scrape off some of the residue first, get some of that grease, and then we'll spray it down with some shampoo and some water, or some soap and some water, and give it a real clean. So yeah, like I said, I'm a huge fan of this product. This really is a great grill. It looks great in the backyard. It comes with a cover too, so we'll cover it up when we're done. And yeah, that's a review.